All right, so I got stuff off of there. So yeah, I'm looking at this. I'm fairly certain that I bought stainless steel, but as you can see, it's corroding. So I know there's various grades of stainless steel, and you know, this probably wasn't up to snuff really, apparently. So anyway, looking at that, there's that, and then so this looks pretty good actually. I'm gonna get another I'm gonna have to get another 2-part flange. When I tiled this, and just the way the pipe was and stuff, I needed to get a 2-part to come around it and hold it. So I'm gonna get another flange like that. Yeah, because I got this right under here is the lip that the flange goes into and holds the pipe stuff. So yeah, it looks pretty good under here as far as I don't see any water damage or anything like that around it, so that's good. So yeah, so I'm just gonna clean this up all around here, get all the wax off, get everything cleaned up, and get ready for the new flange. I'm just gonna get another double part flange. If I can find maybe a heavy duty plastic, I might actually go ahead and use that instead of the stainless steel, just because the stainless steel wasn't very good quality apparently. So yeah, we'll be back. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up, get another 2-part flange bracket, and yeah, we'll be back.